Pasa-pasa yan!
Sino yung background? Walang kinalaman sa ano. Tumasa yung background.
Mga selfie. Wanted to be you. Abi siya, tingin naman.
Second naman.
Ay, wala na eh, diba? Okay, interlude para sa'yo. Sa kanya. Ano, paano ba to? It's when we were together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Happy! Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, helps me keep together, believes without a doubt that I can move the mountains. Someone tells you if
Go ahead.
wanted to be you. Yes! Okay!